The Trump Gold Card versus the EB-5 program. What are some key differences? I'm immigration attorney Christopher Gasson at the Gasson Law Firm in Stuart, Florida. The administration announced the availability of the Trump Gold Card, a pathway to permanent residency, by making an investment of $1 million to the Department of Commerce in exchange for the permanent residency. How does this program differ from the EB-5 program, which has been around since the 90s and is a program which also involves a $1 million threshold in exchange for getting permanent residency? So let's look at the Gold Card first. The Gold Card involves a donation of $1 million to the U.S. Department of Commerce. It is not an investment. There's no return on your money. It's the truest sense of a donation. The money's gone, but in exchange, you become eligible to apply for permanent residency. Not automatically get permanent residency, eligible to apply for permanent residency. Conversely, the EB-5 program is a true investment program. So an individual must make a qualifying investment, $1 million, in some cases $850,000, but into a commercial enterprise, and that commercial enterprise must create 10 jobs that persist for 2 years in order to be eligible for the permanent residency. So that's a very important distinction. The benefit, obviously, of an investment is there are chances that the investment could create a return for the investor, either through the profits from a business or interest, depending on the investment type. Alternatively, when you go back looking at the Trump Gold Card, there is no return. It is a donation. So that's a big difference. It's an investment versus a donation. Another key difference is that the EB-5 program involves a conditional residency. So that's a huge difference here. The conditional residency is what the investor will get initially, and if the 10 jobs persist for the entire 2-year period, then the investor can apply for the permanent residence card, the 10-year card, and have the conditions removed from the residency. While all of the guidelines and regulations aren't all established for the Trump Gold Card, there is no conditional residency attached. The making of the donation of $1 million is the condition precedent to being able to apply for the permanent residency, the 10-year green card. There's no conditional residency waiting to see if jobs are going to materialize and so forth. So those are two very big differences between the EB-5 program and the Trump Gold Card program. The Trump Gold Card program is also touted as a process that has some sort of expedited processing that will allow individuals to get to permanent residency faster. As individuals who've paid any attention to the EB-5 program know, it has a long processing time, and there's some wait time for the availability of visas. While it looks like there will be a limited number of visas available for both programs, the wait time seems to be right now significant for the EB-5 program. The Trump Gold Card program is supposed to have some sort of expedited processing, so that wait time is supposed to be reduced. So those are, in my view, some key differences related to the Trump Gold Card program versus the EB-5 program. If you are interested in either program, contact my team at the Gaston Law Firm. You can reach us at 772-219-0101, or you can find us on the web at www.gastonlawfirm.com. At the Gaston Law Firm, we are building American futures.